hope this lighting is good in this direction. Welcome to the greenhouse, by the way. Welcome back to Ron's greenhouse. Okay, so let me share my ideas for this adult lounge, chill, grown-up spot that we're going to transform this into. So I'm going to share my thoughts. Family members, I already know. So I'm just going to go ahead and give y'all the floor. Drop your opinions down in the comment section, okay? Because I already know you are, so just, okay, go ahead. Okay, so look, let me turn you this way. All right, so this is the focal wall. This is the wall you see when you come in. So I'm thinking, this is what I want over here. And I'm trying to figure out this section, and I'm gonna show you this in a second. But picture this. This wall, I don't know exactly what design I wanna go with. I'm gonna pop it on the screen though, of kind of what I'm going for. And this wall will be darker. I wanna go with the darker, more moodier color just on this one wall with the design on it, right? So we'll lose the wall decor, which is totally fine. I'm thinking that this couch, I'm gonna put in the girl cave. And the furniture that's in the girl cave, I'm gonna get rid of that. So the 2 chairs and this couch, I'm thinking I want to put in the girl cave. Now, I might not be able to get both chairs in there now that I think about it, because that does have a chaise on it. A little one, not a big one. Yeah. So anyway, I think I'm going to put this in my room. I was thinking about those chairs. They may not work. So this is the seating arrangement right now. We got the little sectional here, and then we got the 2 chairs here, which is fine. Like, we could totally entertain here. And we have before. So you have those 2 spaces and then this area. But since we want to turn this into like a lounge, I'm thinking, okay. So we have our accent wall here. I want him to install a light here, so it'll have a light source. I want to get rid of these end tables and do, I see it, like maybe 2 or maybe 1. I don't know, I love balance though. So maybe 2 stand-up lamps. I see this. I see 2 stand-up lamps. I see a round table here. And then I see 4 really comfortable accent chairs. Okay. Focal wall, chair. Round table, right? On one of these walls, either this one over here, either this little half wall area, or here where this plant will be gone, because he's gonna be leaving, this big sucker. On this little wall right here, I'm thinking I want to do like a small chest, not a bar cart, but like a chest where we can put certain cognacs and cigars. And you follow these cigars, just think adult, sexy, grown people, good conversation. Okay, lounge. lounge, right? So I see some type of little chest. It may even be on this wall because there's only gonna be 4 chairs in here. So this will go. But I think I am gonna put this into my girl cave. And I'm kind of sad about these chairs because I don't want to part with them. I really like these. So the color vibe is light, airy, natural woods, natural materials like the concrete bowl. And so leave me your comments. I know y'all are. Did I confuse y'all? What I'm trying to share with y'all about my lounge. Because here's the thing, right? Thinking about, like, when we do have company and we entertain, what do we gravitate toward? Lately, it's been out here or in the kitchen area. The kitchen, the little breakfast table right here. We kind of congregate here. Sometimes we'll migrate to my girl cave. Rarely. I mean, we have, but rarely do we use the wine room for its intended purpose. So, and now that it's starting to get cold, you know, I don't want everybody to always feel like, damn, they always take us outside. You know what I'm saying? And we got so many other spaces, but yeah. And I'm just procrastinating about it. And I know we're coming up on the holidays, so I kind of want to go ahead and just do it because it's nothing major changing. It's subtle, impactful, but subtle. So maybe we'll go to Home Goods today and just browse. See, just look. I'm not going to buy anything. I said maybe we can go and just browse. I'm not gonna look at anything dealing with Halloween, nothing. I'm not buying nothing dealing with Halloween. I'm not buying anything dealing with fall. Y'all wanna go? Because if you do, I'll go ahead and take you. But I'm not buying nothing. We're literally going to browse. Literally. We just browsing. I'm not playing with y'all. And now see, I was gonna put some music on here like I always do, but I felt like I better go ahead and do a voiceover because listen, I know I said I wasn't gonna buy anything, but y'all know how Home Goods is, right? So when you see something that fancies your heart, you gotta get it and make a decision later. So with that being said, can y'all guess what it was I snagged? And just stay tuned for the dilemma of it all because it's bad. And Auntie's really going through it right now. So because y'all told me to come to this store and look for stuff or whatever, and then I found something, shout out to y'all. But Ron, if you're looking, well, by now you've already saw the price tag and you already know my dilemma. Y'all, if you're trying to fancy up an area in your home, Home Goods got you covered right now. This video ain't sponsored. Boy, get your tail out the way. You see me trying to get in. Nobody asking you for your opinion. Get out of here. Anyway, y'all, I'm showing y'all the rugs and stuff. And I ended up buying a rug too. Leave me a comment down below if y'all think y'all know what I bought. 3 chairs, 1 rug. Based off what you see in these clips. And let me go finish editing this video and stressing out. I hope I have some good news by the time you see this video. As it's going right now, I don't have any good news, y'all. The woes of damn decorating. When you have a good man that tell you to decorate when you're not even thinking about decorating. You know what I'm saying? And then I gotta come home and explain to him, like, why I needed these particular chairs that okay, you know what? I'm not even talking to y'all no more either because it's y'all fault, kind of, sort of, that I'm even in this situation. So, yeah. here stressing out right now. So let me tell you what my dilemma is, okay? In the last clips, which was yesterday, actually the Home Goods trip, that was 2 different Home Goods. So I ended up finding 2 chairs at the first Home Goods, which is a good 25 minutes away from where I live. And then I drove to another Home Goods, which was about another 25, 30 minutes in the other direction. And I found 1 more chair. And so I called 2 other Home Goods, one that's in like an hour away from me, and then another one that's about another hour away from me in 2 opposite directions, and neither one of them have the chair. I didn't go past that, which I probably will do today in both directions, like go another hour past, in hopes of finding the 1 chair. Here's the dilemma though. In addition to that, I bought the chairs yesterday, both chairs, but I didn't pick them up. And I also bought an area rug. I didn't pick them up because I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to find all the chairs. And I didn't want to run the risk of hauling the chairs and then getting them dirty and then not being able to find the other chair, which now it's 1 chair. So I'm literally stressing out. But I have 48 hours to pick up one of the chairs, and I have till tomorrow, which is 72 hours, I think, for the other 2 chairs, I believe. But that don't help me, because what if I can't find the 4th chair? Then I can't use the other 3 chairs. Like, it would be purposeless. I don't know what to do. I'm so stressed out. Like, it's just chairs. But I was thinking to myself, what is the likelihood? Setting a vision board, right? Setting a vision board with no intentions on literally finding nothing. And then I walk in the store and it's the very first thing that I see. And you know, Home Goods, you really have to go ahead and grab it, like when you see it, even if you're contemplating returning it. So I know you're probably also thinking, well, Auntie, why don't you, because I even thought about this. I was like, you know what? Maybe I can mix and match. I'll find 2 chairs in this style, and then I'll find 2 chairs in this style. It is a lounge vibe, so, okay. But then as I started looking for more inspiration on Pinterest, which, by the way, let me just show you. When I seen this, I was like, this is absolutely what I want. I need this. Which took me back to, no, now I need 4 of the same exact chairs. I literally don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to be sick if I cannot locate 1 more chair in the next few hours. I'm going to just be devastated. You can kind of get an idea of what I'm leaning towards as far as like the layout, even the vibe of it all. Y'all, I need this chair in my life. And did y'all know Home Goods have a website? homegoods.com. I wasn't aware of that. Anyway, I went on that site and no luck. I even went on Google and typed in the style number, the name of the chair, the everything you could think of, the description of the chair, everything. And the chair itself, that actual chair, doesn't even come up with images online, right? It's other styles that's just like it, but not that exact chair and fabric. So I'm like, but I'm stressing out though. Like, I'm really, wish me luck. Stay tuned as the saga for the 1 chair hunt continues, or the return. Somebody gonna be lucky. They gonna be lucky if they land those chairs. If I have to return them, somebody gonna be so lucky, because I'm gonna return them all at the same location. Y'all come back now. Thank y'all for answering the phone. Auntie's stressing out, y'all. Bye, y'all.